you ever wondered why, despite so many advancements, so many of us feel lost and unfulfilled? What if the key to unlocking your true potential lies within you? Today, we will delve into profound insights on how to use your life energy for a transformational journey. Welcome to a journey that can redefine your existence. Life is not just about reaching the summit, it is about the trajectory we create. The role of energy. Time is relentless. It keeps flowing whether we act or not. The important thing is how we manage our energy. Imagine achieving in 1 year what others take 10 years to achieve. That is the power of focused energy. Conscious living. Being effective is about consciousness. Most people waste their energy on compulsive cycles, but true mastery comes from understanding that our thoughts and emotions are only tools, not obstacles. Recognizing this is the first step towards reclaiming our lives. Understanding pain versus suffering. Let's talk about pain and suffering. Pain is physical. It is a signal of self-preservation. However, suffering is often self-inflicted through our thoughts. We keep building up pain in our minds, reminiscing past suffering, or worrying about future troubles. The power of memory and imagination. Our vivid memory and imagination can be both a boon and a curse. While they help us learn and grow, they can also trap us in a cycle of regret or worry. The key is to live in the present moment. The importance of inner engineering. Inner peace is not just about adjusting to external circumstances. It is about mastering your inner world. When you learn to take control of your thoughts and emotions, you begin to live life on your terms. The importance of physical activity. Physical activity is important for managing our biochemistry. In today's world, many young people struggle with intense emotional issues due to inactivity. Activity isn't just about fitness, it's also essential for mental health. The power of joyful living. When you live joyfully, your need for sleep and food naturally decreases. Happiness boosts energy. It's time to prioritize joy over obligations. Redefining success. We often define success by societal standards, money, status, accomplishments, but this can lead to burnout. True success should be about personal satisfaction and happiness. Get out of the race. Focus on your journey. The journey to unleashing your potential begins within you. You are not the problem. Rather, your thoughts and feelings are tools of creation. It's time to take control. Your journey to unlocking your true potential starts now. Remember, life is not about racing to the finish, but creating a path filled with purpose and joy. If this video resonated with you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's walk this transformative journey together. Until next time, take care and keep thriving.